Why can't people who are already several years in a financial market get satisfactory results? We also know that new people on the market get good results in a short time. Hey there fellow traders, I'm Pablo and today's topic is why do the beginners often achieve better trading results? That's the burning question for all-in traders. Well, here's the deal, it all depends. You see, when rookies enter the market, they stumble upon valuable information. They hear about the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and the potential to make big bucks, millions even. But here's where the trouble begins. Around 90% of users make the worst possible mistake by going all in with their capital. Why? Well, most people believe they are smarter than the folks on the internet with just a few clicks. They think they are all fools, I will do it my way, and that, my friends, is the major mistake beginners make. If you can learn quickly, you will make fewer mistakes. But let's face it, that's a rare skill. So many beginners keep making the same mistakes over and over again. Don't forget hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Now, here's my top advice. Learn from others' mistakes and take their advice. That's why we created our mentoring program, and the most participants headlined to no knowledge of trading before joining, but we connected, had meaningful conversations and established a learning process that's crucial. They base their learning journey on my mistakes and my experience, ensuring they don't hurt themselves. They learn faster, avoid major blunders, and achieve better results. You see, those mistakes can mess with our heads and develop bad habits because no one talks about them. That's why our mentors have significantly better and faster results. But it all comes down to whether you are willing to listen to others' advice. You have to be prepared to learn from each mistake, which can cost you both money and time. Some embrace it while others don't. But on the other hand, you can just ignore my advice or anyone else for that matter because hey, you know how it is. You can do things your own way and guess what? For the next few months, absolutely nothing will change. Or surprise me because maybe, just maybe I might be fucking wrong. So which path you will choose? Click here to check out our next video on the channel for more practical knowledge. And remember, all-in traders isn't just about taking risks, it's about the process, so focus on it and keep trading folks.